How to fix YouTube app not updating error. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. So first and foremost, this issue is due to your internet connection. Now in order to fix it, all you have to do is drop down your notification center, turn off your Wi-Fi connection, enable your airplane mode for about 3 seconds, then disable it after the 3 seconds. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you have connected, try to update your YouTube once again. If not, press and hold onto your YouTube application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Then exit from here, open up your phone setting, scroll down and select on the option of Apps. Select on all apps and check for YouTube. It is the alternative way to force stop your app and clear up the cache of your app. Now while you are in your setting, go ahead and check for your system update as well. In here, you need to check for any possible update that you can conduct for your mobile device to be up to date. Now once you have carried on all of the steps, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. Try to update your application. Also make sure that your mobile device have enough storage. If you are low in storage, your application may face such issue as well. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.